my hair and my makeup today, I just feel like I just look extra cute, and I don't even know why, but I just feel really good, and I'm really happy that today I actually woke up and I actually feel really good about myself. Hey y'all, it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing the MintMONGOOSE jewelry subscription service. And if you would like to learn more about the subscription service and learn more about these jewelry pieces, then just keep on watching. Before we get into the subscription box, I kind of thought that I would really quickly just go over the details of this box. So this is a $15 subscription service, and it has free U.S. shipping. However, if you do live outside of the U.S., you do have to pay a $10 shipping fee. This is ran from a company, and this lady that runs the company, her name is Helena, and she lives in California. She has 2 kiddos, so this is a small self-owned business. This also is a very customizable subscription service, so you can opt in or out of the earrings that they offer each month. So if you don't like the earrings or you don't wear earrings, then you can opt in or out of them. You can also customize your jewelry pieces inside each box as well. So if you have a preference of type of jewelry that you like, whether you like silver, whether you like gold, whether you like rose gold, you can customize your jewelry pieces and you can get whatever tone you prefer. A new subscribers box ships within 48 hours of them placing their subscription order, and after that the box will be shipped out on the 15th of every month. New subscribers also receive 25 to 50% off on the MintMONGOOSE website. Subscribers also receive an awesome free gift every 3 months that they are subscribed to the subscription service. So they will send you out maybe a fun pair of socks, maybe a makeup product that you have been dying to try out, or an affordable pair of sunglasses. It really depends on what the gift is for that every 3-month cycle that they ship out the free gift. Subscribers can easily skip a month, or they can easily cancel their subscription service if it's just not something that they are interested in receiving that month or for the rest of the year. All in all, I think this is an awesome subscription service, and I also have a code that I'm going to have down in the description box below that you guys can use to sign up if you're interested in what you see in today's video. Each month there is a different theme and a different type of thing that they pick for their subscription box. So this month is the Mother's Day box, seeing how this is May, and May is always the month that we celebrate Mother's Day. And this month is actually themed around Helena's mother that unfortunately passed away. So each subscription box comes with a very nice little postcard right here, and as you can see, there is some pictures of her mother, and then on the back here is some information about the pieces of jewelry that is in the subscription box. You also receive this other little card with your subscription service as well, and it just is a little thank you card. And then on the back here, it just has their social media info, and it also is a little note that says, be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite MintMONGOOSE jewelry pieces and use the hashtag MintMONGOOSE to be entered to win a free month. So if you do that, you can be entered to win a free month of the subscription service, which is really cool. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and let's open up these jewelry pieces. Each month, the jewelry pieces in the subscription box is always themed and centered around the simpler things in life, and each jewelry piece has a significant meaning as to why they were chosen. So like I mentioned earlier with the subscription box, this is the Mother's Day themed box, and this box is done in memory of the owner's mother. And the theme is green and 4-leaf clovers because that is something that her mother really liked. Her mother was also born on St. Patrick's Day, apparently, so that is really cool. And I'm going to have close-ups of the card so that way y'all can read out the information for yourselves. I really like how the overall presentation of the subscription box is. I like the white envelope, and I like the mint green. I think it's really pretty. So all in all, the overall packaging is really pretty, so I can't wait to open up the rest of the jewelry pieces and see what is in here. So this is the earrings for this month. Now, I'm going to warn y'all, I do already know what the jewelry pieces look like because I was sent an email by the company, and I did get to take a sneak peek of the May box to see if this would be a company and a brand that I would be interested in working with. And these I'm actually going to be giving to my own mother for Mother's Day, along with another piece in here because they're just absolutely pretty. So like I said, this is the earrings, and these are absolutely so pretty, and I can't wait to take these out of the bag and show y'all. So this is just what they look like. They are absolutely beautiful and emerald green. I love the detailing of these. You can tell that these are going to be really good quality because they're really good heavy metal. And they feel like, even though they're heavy, they also kind of feel like they're going to be lightweight. They don't feel cheap. They feel like they are very good quality. So I don't think that the price point is half bad for $15 because you're getting a very nicely made and handcrafted jewelry. So that is just what the earrings look like. I love the green. I love the detailing. I think that they're really, really pretty. So that is those. And then there is something in the subscription box that matches the earrings, and that is this piece right here. This is the locket, and the reason why there is a locket in this box is because again, this is the Mother's Day box, and with this being in memory of the owner's mother, her mother was all about family, and that is why they chose to do a locket. So that way you could keep a picture of your family inside the locket. And the locket is really, really pretty, and as you're going to see here in a minute, it's going to match the earrings. So this is what the locket looks like that I'm going to be giving to my mom along with the earrings. That is just so pretty. It is a bigger locket. It's not like a traditional tiny locket because, like I said earlier, you can keep a bigger family portrait in here, or you can just wear it like this. You don't necessarily have to make it a locket. My favorite thing about this piece is the back here. I think this part is really pretty. So honestly, I think this could kind of be versatile. Like if you wanted to wear it like that, or if you wanted to display the green, you definitely could. Again, this is super heavy. This is super good quality. I love the craftsmanship of this. This is just gorgeous. So I'd like to quickly mention, if I didn't mention this already, the jewelry pieces come very nicely packaged in bubble wrap and an additional plastic packaging, which I know a lot of people isn't really keen on the whole plastic packaging thing, but honestly, I don't mind this because it keeps your jewelry protected in shipping. So I really like the fact that they nicely package up the products and they make sure that the products are going to be safe when traveling in the mail. And then this is the very last piece, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be keeping this one for myself because it is so, so pretty. And it is just a silver necklace with a little 4-leaf clover in the middle. So let's go ahead and take this out, and I'll show y'all what it looks like because it is absolutely beautiful and just so simple and it's so dainty. So this is what the necklace looks like. It is a bit on the longer side, which I don't mind. I actually kind of like my necklaces to be a little bit longer on me. And I love the cute little silver 4-leaf clover in the center. I think that is really pretty. And the reason why I chose silver is because I wear a lot of silver, and so does my mom as well. But I was really excited to get this necklace for myself. This is probably my personal favorite piece because I used to have a 4-leaf clover necklace a couple of years ago, and I sadly lost it when I took a trip to the beach. So I'm really happy that I have a new one. And the quality of this as well is just fantastic and so good. And just, you can tell that a lot of time really went into these jewelry pieces and really went into picking them out. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you all did enjoy seeing me unbox this subscription box. Again, if you are interested in this month's box, I will have a link down below in the description box, as well as I'll have a pinned comment to the comment section so that way you can go check out their store, because even if you're not interested in the subscription service, they also have an online store that has worldwide free shipping, and they have incredible pieces of things on their website as well. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep a lookout on when I post and upload new videos. And so, yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Bye, my little Hannah.